Today we're making mini caramel apple tartlets with an easy cookie crust. In a medium bowl, cream 1/2 cup of room temperature butter until it's nice and smooth. Add 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar and mix this on low for about 1 minute or until the sugar and butter are well incorporated. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and continue mixing on low until a coarse crumb forms. Use your hands to form the dough into a ball. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found in the description box down below. Flatten it slightly into a disc and place it on a well-floured surface. Flour the top and using a rolling pin, roll to about 1/4 inch thickness, ensuring that you're turning and adding more flour as needed. Use a round cookie cutter that is larger than the size of your mini muffin tins to cut out rounds to use as your cookie crust. My tins have a 1.5 inch diameter, so I'm doing 2.5 inch cookies. I'm going to press these carefully into my muffin cups, ensuring that I pack them down along the sides as well as the bottom so that we get a nice even crust on our mini caramel apple tartlets. Once you've completed the cookie crust, you will need to peel and finely dice 2 medium apples. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, the juice of half of a small lemon, which is about 1 tablespoon, as well as 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give this a quick toss until everything is evenly coated. Add a heaping tablespoon of your apple mixture into each of your prepared cookie crusts. You want this to mound quite a bit because they're going to bake down. Make sure that you get some of those juices in the bottom. Once you've filled all of your cups, these will bake for 12 to 15 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Allow them to cool on the pan for a moment and then transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. And if you wanted to eat them like this, they're absolutely delicious, but I prefer to add an easy caramel sauce to really bring it to the next level. And I'll link my salted caramel sauce recipe here for you. And that is how you make caramel apple tartlets. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.